Hello, welcome to Elif's kitchen. Today I'll give you a very easy to make fluffy flatbread recipe. So let's get started. I put 6 cups of flour into the kneading bowl. I'm adding 1 pack of instant yeast and 1 dessert spoon of sugar. Then I mix it. I added about 1 dessert spoon of salt and I added a cup of warm water. I'm going to add some water gradually. You can adjust the consistency, but I measured for you. For 6 cups of flour, I added 2.5 cups of warm water totally. But I added it little by little. Like I said, you should do the same. You can see the consistency in the video. I kneaded it well. It's supposed to be soft, but it doesn't stick to the hand. I'm closing a lid on it and waiting for about half an hour. As you can see, it rose. I'm cutting my dough into pieces a little bigger than tangerine. I have in total 8 pieces. I sprinkled some flour on the counter and I rolled the dough to the size of a dessert plate. As you can see, I rolled all my dough and I laid them on the counter. Now I'm going to cook them in a pan. I'm taking a flatbread dough in a hot pan. I'm turning it around after 20 seconds. This is an important trick. If you turn it in 20 seconds, it swells like a balloon. I fry on both sides by turning them occasionally. As you can see, my fluffy flat-baked breads are ready for service. You can serve it for your breakfasts. It is really easy to prepare. I hope you try and like it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.